aboard Delta 444. This plane is going to New York City, JFK International Airport. Delta is like one of the best American airlines. I love Delta. They're really good with their customers. And these are the TVs. And I have like good like leg room. And also my personal item that does fit under this seat. So, and it's that purse that I showed you guys on my channel. So just check that out. Yeah, all the connections are like down here. You're able to charge your phone if that's the case. But I don't know if I'm gonna need to charge my phone or not. Let's see. This is the 444. Wait, how do you do that? Oh, like that. So it fits perfectly. Okay, well, that's that. And I have an empty seat right here. I don't know who's gonna be there.
To use, remove the vest from the container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less. Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines, thank you for paying attention. Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy your flight.
Thank you for flying with Delta.
the freeway. It's so crazy.